In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high-converting landing page in Wix. Landing pages are essential tools for capturing leads, promoting products, or delivering specific messages. Designing a landing page that effectively serves its purpose can significantly influence the success of your online endeavors, so let's dive right in and create one on Wix. First, open the Wix website. If you haven't done so already, sign into your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new to Wix. It's a very user-friendly platform designed with ease of use in mind, even for beginners. Once you're ready, look for the Pages and Menu option in the editor interface. Clicking on it will reveal a menu where you can manage the existing pages of your website. Here, you'll find the option to add a new page, a critical step in creating your landing page. So, go ahead and click Add Page. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Landing Page, which provides a variety of templates specifically designed for landing pages, covering a range of styles and purposes. Browse through these templates and take the time to select one that fits the objective you have in mind for your landing page. Once you've made your selection, click Add Page. At this point, don't worry if the page takes a moment to load. Sometimes this can happen, so patience is key. As soon as it's ready, you'll enter the editing phase where you can bring your vision to life. To begin editing your landing page, click Quick Edit. This feature allows you to modify text, images, and layout elements quickly and easily. The key to creating a high-converting landing page is customization. Tailor the content, colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand and messaging. Make sure the call to action is clear and compelling, as it is one of the most crucial components of your landing page. Wix offers a range of features to explore. Look to the left side of your editor. Here, you can add various elements to your page. Click the plus icon to see what's available. Whether you need to insert buttons, galleries, or custom HTML, these options can significantly enhance the functionality and appeal of your landing page. Experiment with these features to see how they can best serve your landing page's goals. Remember, the design should focus on simplicity and clarity. You want your visitors to understand immediately what action you expect them to take. Be sure to preview your landing page to see how it will appear on mobile devices as well. Ensuring that your landing page is responsive and looks great on different devices is crucial for capturing leads effectively. That's it. You've now learned how to create a high-converting landing page using Wix. With these steps, you can tailor your page to fit your specific needs and help drive the results you're aiming for. Good luck and happy designing.